guys, this is location and this is the Eagle Veterinary Clinic. So come visit here. Here, Eagle Veterinary Clinic. Huh? You want to enjoy? Ooh, good. Very good. Yes. Done? Only one. Only one. Not like before. Now only one. Clinic, you can search the clinic veterinary from Google Map. You can see where's the exact location. If you have pet lover, bring here in a veterinary clinic. Eagle veterinary clinic. See? Now only another, we have one, another one project schedule in September. After that done, complete index.
Madam, mister? You will be on madam? Madam?
Madam?
Madam.
Yeah, madam. Now our receptionist is not here, so maybe next time is here. Don't forget, Eagle Veterinary Clinic. This is the all of stock here in Eagle Clinic. We have bird here and here. Some food, if you want some food, we have some food. Shampoo. Maybe not all have it, but some shampoo and dog accessories. So thank you so much, and also shout out to Doctora from Eagle Veterinary Clinic. So if you come here, if you want some coffee, have also some coffee. Doctora always, we put some coffee for the customer, good customer. This is free. Doctora, he cannot take money from coffee. This is free. If you want to come here, if you want some coffee, have some coffee for the customer. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Doctora, for this another one inject for the last in September. So we will come back again in September. So don't forget, guys, Eagle Veterinary Clinic always love all customers. Come here and visit this veterinary clinic. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. See you next time.